So today I'm reviewing these coffee filter products. They're unbleached, which is really nice because a lot of the coffee filters today are bleached and you don't want those chemicals in your coffee, especially for those who drink it every day. And you can also use this for as a coffee filter in the coffee machine, or you can also use it for a drip maker coffee or manual drip pour over. Like you can put a coffee cup and put the coffee grind on here and just basically let it drip slowly in your coffee cup. But yeah, this is how they look. It comes with a lot, like you can see a lot of particles going everywhere, but it's natural. It's unbleached. And I would prefer this over bleach paper because I drink coffee every day. So using stuff like that would be harmful in the long run. And yeah, it's really lightweight, really easy to use, and is and for the price, I feel like it's really good as well. It comes with these, and it also comes with four more. So like four, let me see, four of these stacks in total. So it comes with a lot, and anyways, like over it comes with 200 there. 200 count. And if you drink coffee once a day, it'll last you almost most of the year. So yeah, I definitely do recommend these, and they're great and a better alternative to regular coffee filters.